Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. It's the wig for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. It's the wig for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up.
Can you feel it, honey? Can you feel it, honey? Now you're way past that. All that bad, 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 bad. So bad, 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 bad. Can you see it, honey? Can you see it? See you past the trouble. Now you know the meaning of it all. It all. Didn't think it happened so soon, but that one afternoon you finally moved on. Letting go of all that he said and finally cared for yourself. You really moved on. And I feel it, feel it, feel it, feel it. I feel it, I feel it. Ooh. It's gonna be the ending of all that's bad. From now on, let's just leave it all in the past and look how good we are. No more bleeding, can't you see you're healing? Hold on to that feeling, 'cause I know you're gonna get it right, 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 right. So right, 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 right. Didn't need it, now you didn't need it. Didn't even feel it. Told me like 100 times out loud, 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 loud. Making me proud, 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 proud. 7 days a week, 7 days a week. You've been ill for too long. 7 days a week, 7 days a week. But now you moved on. And I feel it, feel it, feel it, feel it. I feel it, I feel it. Ooh. It's gonna be the ending of all that's bad. From now on, let's just leave it all in the past and look how good we are.
Get out the way. Who got a watch? Who got the time? I'm racing the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm trying to get these ends, build empires with my friends. I'm about handling my business. No time for stress over bullshit. You think success is an option? I'm trying to get this shit poppin' like woo. Big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait out on I leg for it. Countdown for me. 12, 11, 10, 9. Eat that, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. My time, my time, my time, my time. Order in the court. Me first, you short. On my time, been off yours. Boss bitches to the You do the math, shit don't add up. Even on my worst day, down on my luck. I got the sauce, I'ma always come up. I tried it your way, that was a dub. I'm taking the wheel now, cause I trust me. I'ma go get these millions. Hoes still hoping and wishing. You always had me waiting, and I'm about fresh out of patience. This time we switching positions. Now you under my submission, like my rules. Big moves. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season, like who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait till I leg for it. Count down for me. 5, 4, 3, 2. I want, I'ma make you wait for it.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. Now I ain't gonna hold you sis. I was legit finna put on my bathing suit, my bikini, because this hair is giving vacation. But honey, I was like, you know what, that might be a little too much for a whole video. So I may just insert a picture or something, okay? But yeah, this hair is definitely giving me vacay vibes. But before I get into all of that, let me go ahead and give you guys the details and specs. So the unit I am rocking was sent to me by Premiumlacewig. Shout out to you, Premium Lace, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate you. You guys know I love me some premium. Child, let me make sure I'm saying these folks' name right. You guys know I love me some premium lace wig. Like, honey, they always come through with the come through. So once again, shout out to you, boo. All right, so it says the hair length is 22 inches. Well, it has on here, order number is Christina. That is she. That is I. That is me, okay? Hair length 22 inches. The color is a natural color. The hair type is 100% Brazilian virgin hair. Hair texture is water wave. Oh, child, I gotta turn on the air. Hold on, y'all. I'm burning up. Child, my man got everything. This is at darn near a smart house. You know how long it took me to figure out how to work the L? I don't even want to tell y'all. But anyways, okay, so hair texture is water wave. It's a wear and go wig. The density is 180%. It's a medium cap size and the lace color is transparent. So those are all the details and specs, and shout out to them for stuff like this. And then look, it's a little bitty thing. Like, shout out to y'all for that. All right, so with this wig, as you guys saw, this unit came with pre-cut lace. The lace is transparent. Now I did go ahead and bleach the knots, but honestly y'all, they had already pre-bleached the knots. I just wanted it to be a little more pre-bleached, okay? But honestly, you can get away with not putting anything on this unit. Like, you don't have to bleach it, you don't have to tweeze it. Like, in my opinion, the hairline looks great. And like I said, I bleached it, but it really wasn't necessary. And I was kind of going back and forth, like, it really wasn't necessary, child. Let me just keep it a whole book. It wasn't necessary. I'm just extra these days, okay? I have my extra moments. Yesterday was an extra moment, okay? I had some extra time. I'm a Virgo. I like to do extra stuff, okay? I like my day to be filled up. Don't judge me. Okay, so as far as shedding and tangling, honey, this is water wave. And one thing I love about water wave is that it doesn't really tangle. And even when it looks full, it still is very lightweight. So water wave hair to me is just like one of my favorite waves, okay? Because it just is, to me, it's effortless and it's the perfect vacation hair. I think that's why it's called water wave, honey, because you can get in the water with it and come out and still look good, okay? So this gonna be my vacay hair, okay? This gonna be my vacay hair. As far as this unit being big head friendly, now they had that thing super tight, that elastic band, and honestly, it's a wig you can get away with no adhesive. I kid you not. And I tried to show you guys that at the beginning, and I'll insert it somewhere here. I did decide to go ahead and do the adhesive because, child, I don't even know why I did it this time. Like, I don't even have a reason. It was just like, I'm gonna just do it. I'm gonna just do it. They didn't say not to, so I was like, just gonna throw the adhesive on there. But day to day, this is not a wig you would have to put any adhesive on. If you wanted to just throw old girl on, like, oh God, you gotta go up to the school right quick or whatever, you can throw this on and nobody would be none the wiser, in my opinion. In my opinion, this unit is big head friendly. I am an average cap size, so girl, do with that what you want to do with that. But I did have to adjust the straps because I couldn't just wear it like without it being adjusted. So in my opinion, this unit is big head friendly, but you can make it work across the board in my opinion with that elastic band, because honey, it might have been loose without it, but once I clink clink clink, child, oh girl was snug. Okay, she was snug as a bug in a rug, like so yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go with this unit. If you're interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360, then please continue to watch. I ain't gonna hold you, sis. I ain't got no con. Okay, it would have been, because what is even the, I don't even know like how much, because this is a lot of area. This is a lot of area. So you got from here to here. It would have been the fact that it didn't have combs, but oh girl got combs. It got combs, so I ain't got no con. Now the pros are endless. This is the ultimate beginner friendly vacation wig, girl. Okay, you don't need to bleach it. I did, but you don't need to. You don't need to tweeze it. You don't even need to cut the lace. You don't even need adhesive. Like, oh girl is a good throw on and go, and which makes it even more perfect for a vacation, because ain't nobody got time to be worried about my hair on vacation. I don't know about y'all, but child, me and Ron went on vacation. I don't even think I wore regular clothes the whole, but I don't think I wore nothing but sweats and no makeup the entire vacation, and it was nice. Okay, so I don't want to be worried about my hair on a vacation. So it's the ultimate beginner friendly vacation hair. The texture is amazing, and like I stated, it literally came pre-bleached and pre-tweezed and all the pre's. So yes, those are gonna be my pros with this wig. Yes, I would obviously recommend this unit for all the reasons that I listed as pros, and the fact that your girl didn't even have a con. So yes, I would definitely recommend this unit. Alright y'all, so let me go ahead and give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. And I also didn't talk about my little braids thing. You guys know I've been kind of doing that lately. I like it. I think it just adds something extra to the look. So I was like, why not? And I really like to do it with curly wigs. I have done it with body waves, but I really like to do it with wavy or curly wigs most. Anyways, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Hold on. This is where it comes to me. Keep in mind I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know down below what you guys think about this wig. Let me know if you think it's the look, it's a vibe. Are you feeling it as much as I am? Do you think it's the perfect vacation hair? Sound off down below in the comments. I am interested in your thoughts and opinions. Once again, shout out to you, Premiumlacewig, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. If you guys are interested in purchasing this wig, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all. That's all. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm HelpToMissC on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousBeauty on Twitter. And I'll see you love bugs next time. Bye.
The looks you love completely got every style and we